Okay, so this is question 5, a trigonometry question. Mr. Baus, lads, you guys did this question. Mr. O'Leary and Miss Power's class, we didn't do this question, but if you want to have a look anyway, because trigonometry is going to be the next section we do, so be good revision tool that way, all the same. So this question gave you a triangle that looked like this, okay, and to find the angle that you're looking for, you needed to use what's called the cosine rule, okay? So I'm just going to mark, the question says, the diagram shows a triangle ABC in which the length of AB is equal to 12, AB equal to 12, the length of BC is equal to 8, BC is equal to 8, and AC is equal to 6, AC equal to 6. And it says find the angle BCA, so it looks like that, find the angle of BCA. The angle of BCA, so it's this guy we're looking for that angle there, okay? So that's going to have to be my cos A, alright? Which means that I'm now going to just call this my A value, this guy my A value, this guy my B value, and this guy my C value, alright? So now I can start filling in the values that I have, alright? So A squared is going to be 12 to be squared is equal to 6 to be squared plus 8 to be squared minus 2 times b multiplied by c, which is going to be 6 times 8, all multiplied by cos a, which we don't know yet. Okay, so cos a. So 12 squared is 144, 6 squared is 36, plus 64, minus 96, all multiplied by cos a, like that. Okay, so let's just work that out. We get 100. So 36 plus 64 is going to be 100, so it's 144 is equal to 100 minus 96 times cos A. Alright, we can bring that 100 across, okay, and we're going to get 144 minus 100, which will give me 44, is equal to minus 96 bracket cos A. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to read this. This is reading from right to left as far as I'm concerned, because this is the value I want, so I'm just going to change it around. Minus 96 multiplied by cos A is equal to 44. Now I have not changed anything, I've just, instead of just swapped the sides around, basically, that's all I've done. Alright, so this is negative, I'm looking for the positive, so change the signs. 96 times cos A is equal to minus 44. Alright, so cos A is going to equal minus 44 divided by 96. Cos A is going to equal minus 0.4583, minus 0.4583. Okay, and you need to find, when you're, the algebra way of doing this, you have to find cos inverse, which means that you're going to have to look for, let's get it up on the calculator now. Alright, it is, so I'll turn on the calculator, shift and the cos button there, okay, and then you get cos inverse, and I'm going to put minus 0.04 or minus 4583, close bracket, and there's the answer there. That's going to be your answer there. Okay, so I'm going to put that in as cos inverse of minus 0.4583. Oh, sorry, I should just say that A is equal to, like that. Okay, so A is equal to 117 point. Now just be careful, because it says to one decimal place, so that 7 turns that to an 8, that 8 is going to turn that to a 3, so it's 117.3 degrees, okay, and that is the answer. Okay, so part B says, which is the next largest angle in the triangle ABC, and my answer that I give is going to be angle CAB. Alright, so CAB, and the reason for that is opposite that angle is the larger length, therefore the angle must be higher. So opposite angle CAB is the next largest length. Or if you want to get fancy, you could say the next largest vertices. So part C says the triangle A complement B complement C complement is the image of the triangle ABC under the enlargement with center A and scale factor 2.5. Okay, so center A means that this back over here is going to be still going to be where all the enlargement is coming from. Alright, so we know from having looked at the original, so we said that the length of AC is equal to 6. Now the factor is 2.5, so I'm going to multiply, so that means the length of A complement C complement is going to equal 6 multiplied by the scale factor, which is 2.5, which gives me a length of 15 centimeters, okay? Likewise, for CB, the length of CB is equal to 8 centimeters. So now I'm going to find the length of C complement B complement is going to equal A multiplied by the scale factor, which is 2.5, which is going to give me 20 centimeters, okay? Now I'm not going to go and find A complement B complement length because, well, you'll see in a moment, right? Drew out the A complement B complement C complement triangle there, so you can see the length has gone from 6 to 15 and gone from 8 to 20 here. Now the question is asking us to find the area of this new triangle, so the formula we're going to need is called half AB sine C. So in this case, C is going to be, I'm going to say C is equal to 117.3, A is going to equal 20, and B is going to equal 15. Okay, so let's sub those values in. It's going to be half of 15. Sorry, half of 20. It's not going to make much odds actually in the end, but half 15 and 20, I've mixed them up. That should say 20 and 15, but it's not going to change my answer. And sine C is equal to 117.3, so 117.3. And when you multiply all that out, you get 133.3 centimeters squared. Okay, and that was the trigonometry question.